Now we are going to talk about how you can use Agent ID and Office ID using our shortcodes. First, you will have to create a new page, and not the IDX page, but a regular page. You will hover over it, hover over pages, and then you will click on Add New Page. Now you will give title, and then you will see this plus icon here. You will click on it, and then you will search for Classic, and then you will click on Classic. It will show you this gray, light gray horizontal bar. You will again click on it. So these four blue icons are coming from our plugin. We will select the second option. We will discuss the remaining three later on. From here, you will see results type. I will click on this option, and then I will click Agent ID. Agent ID has selected. Now I will give my Agent ID. And again, if you want, you can restrict the results by price range, by beds, and you will click on active. If you want to cover all, then you can click on conditional pending and sold. And then same case with property types. If you want to restrict result, you can select, otherwise you can just leave them empty. And now we will discuss these four options at the bottom that we have here is first, the shortcode alignment. You can do left, right, but the default option is left. And now a shortcode result view. You can select which type of listings do you want to show. You want the layout to be list grid. You can select from here. Now, by default, we only show 5 listings. So if you save this option and you open the page, you will only see 5 listings. But if you want to increase, then you will have to give some number here. The maximum that we can show using shortcode are 50 listings. So the maximum you can put is 50. At the bottom it says show largest photos. Again, if you want, you can checkbox this option, otherwise you can uncheck it. And now I will click on insert listings. So this is the shortcode that we have generated for our agent ID. You can use this shortcode anywhere on your website. So let's say you have an option on the home page, you have a specific section that you want to show your agent ID listings, then you can just copy this and then you can paste it in the section of your home page. Now we are going to create shortcode for our office ID. Again, I will click the second option. I will select office ID from this drop down, then I will give my office ID, and then same options that we have already discussed. Click on active, conditional, up to you. What options do you want to show? I will say 25, and then I will choose maybe like list plus map, and then I will click on insert listings. Now this is the option for office ID. You can just copy it and paste wherever you want to show your office ID. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.